this is Aris Navi, and I assigned to make a short video lesson about expansion of Buddhism outside in India. So, shall we start? A distinctive and vibrant from Mahayana Buddhism that now has a substantial following. As Buddhism spread through Asia, it forms distinct streams of thoughts and practice. The Theravada, the way of elders in South and Southeast Asia, the Mahayana, the great vehicle in East Asia, and the Vajrayana, the diamond vehicle in Tibet. A distinctive and vibrant from a Mahayana Buddhism that in India, Buddhism began to wane in the 6th and 7th century CE, when devotional Hinduism replaced Buddhism in the south, and Heptalite Huns invaded and Sox monastery in the north. By the 13th century, repeated invasion by the Tongs ensured that Buddhism was flourishing in many other parts of Asia. As early as 3rd century BCE, the Indian Emperor Ashoka, a convert to the Buddhism, is said to have established the tradition on the island of Sicily or the Sri Lanka. By the 5th century CE, Buddhism has spread throughout what are now Myanmar and Thailand. By the 30th century CE, one of the early Buddhism schools, called the Theravada or the Way of Elders, had become the dominant tradition of the South and Southeast Asia. As the 1st century CE, Buddhism monks made their way over the Silk Road through the Central Asia to the China. The 7th century CE, Buddhism made a significant impact to China, interacting with Confucians and Taoist cultures and ideas. This time, the tradition was also firmly established in Korea. In the 6th century CE, the Buddhism tradition was also introduced into Japan, where it developed into milieu shaped by both Shinto and other indigenous traditions. These forms of Buddhism that first developed in India and later flourished in East Asia is known as Mahayana or the Great Vehicle. In the 8th century, Buddhism, shaped by the Tantric tradition of Northeast India, spread to the high mountain plateau of Tibet. Therein, interaction with the indigenous Bon religion with forms of Buddhism that had traveled to the Tibet from Asia. A distinctive and vibrant form of Mahayana Buddhism emerged known as a Vajrayana, the diamond vehicle. Streams of Buddhism are differentiated to some extent by their interpretation of Buddha and the Buddha's teaching. The scriptures they hold the special reverence and the variety of cultural expression they led to Buddhist life and practice. It would be a mistake, however, to identify these streams of tradition too rigidly with either specific ideas or specific geographical areas.